Hi everyone, today we're looking at formulas and substitution. This is a fairly simple process. You can see in front of you you've got 4 simple steps that we need to follow. So whenever we see this in algebra, we'll know straight away we're going to have these steps here. First of all, we have this formula that's here. Then we substitute in whatever x tells us to, or y, it doesn't matter, whatever the pronumeral is. Then we show our working out, and then we come up with an answer. So as long as we follow these 4 steps here, it's fairly straightforward for us. So if we just have a look at the first example here, y equals x plus 3. So that's our formula. Then we're going to substitute in here. So we go y, we substitute in, tells us here at the end x equals 4. So this time instead of writing in x, we put in the number 4. Y equals 4 plus 3. Then we show our working out. Okay, so 4 plus 3 equals 7. And then we're going to show our answer, y equals 7. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. There's 3 down the bottom there for you to try. You might hit pause now, have a go at them. These ones here, that have got 2 steps to it, like that one and that one. In the working out section here, they're going to require 2 steps for you to show your work. Okay, so you will have to do that to show the correct working and show you understand what you're doing. Alright, so if you hit pause now, I'll be back with the answers shortly. Alright, now that you've had a go at it, here's the work solutions. Let's go through it. So for the first one up the top up here, let's get the right colour. Y equals 5x minus 5. We've written the formula. Now let's make the substitution. So we're going to put in, instead of writing x, we put in 3, because it tells us up here that x equals 3. And 5x minus 5. So 5 times 3 minus 5. Let's show... We've done the substitution. Now let's show our working out. 15 minus 5. So our answer is going to be y equals 10. Oops, make that 10. Get rid of that one. Let's make it a proper 10. There we go. Y equals 10. Let's have a look at number 2. Y equals x divided by 2 plus 4, where x equals 12. So first of all, we write out our formula. Y equals x divided by 2 plus 4. Let's substitute in the 12. So 12 divided by 2 plus 4. Show our working out. 12 divided by 2 is 6 plus 4. So therefore y equals 10. Okay, now we're going to do a bit of a harder one, a bit more challenging. So let's do our formula first. Let's choose a good colour. Y equals minus 7x plus 11. So let's substitute. Minus 7 times 2 plus 11. Oops, minus 7 times minus 2 plus 11. So we know when we have a minus and a minus that it makes a plus. So minus 7 times minus 2 is going to be plus 14 plus 11. So therefore y is going to equal 25. Alright, the tricky part obviously then is when you have to apply your substitution and your into calculating worded problems. So we've got a formula here which we'll have to look at. The cost of hiring a trailer is calculated using the formula C equals 15t plus 60, where C is going to be the total cost and T is the number of hours hired. So find the cost of hiring a trailer for 3 hours. Alright, so we have to read the instructions, find what the formula is. So our formula is C equals 15t plus 60. So now let's put into what the number of hours is. So now we're going to substitute. We know that t this time is going to equal 3. So if we put that into our formula, 15 times 3 plus 60, where t is equal to 3. So then we do our working out, 45 plus 60. So therefore we can do our addition and finish off. Our answer is going to be the cost of hiring a trailer is going to be 100 All right, there's another one on the next page for you to try it out, and let me know how you go. Okay, if you haven't paused and had a go at doing this one yet, just hit pause now and then have a go at doing this. All right, I'll continue. So here we do, again, very similar to the last one. So we're going to first of all have the formula. C equals 15t plus 60. So this time down the bottom here we can see that our number of hours here is 12, so we're going to have to do 12 hours. All right, so we're going to put in our formula equals 15 times 12 plus 60. All right, so we're going to have to think about what's 15 times 12. Oh, so we're going to put that in, where t equals 12. Okay, so 15 times 12. Gosh, you're testing me now. 144 and 36. 180 equals 180 plus 60. Just better check that addition too before I do this one. So it's going to be a total of C equals $240. And the hardest part about that's really doing the multiplication. All right, practice a few more of these. If you need some more practice, just keep substituting in the number of hours and changing that around. And then if you have any more dramas, make sure you come and have a chat to me.